Hey guys, what's up? Welcome back to another video. In this video, we are going to learn some useful English sentences using let. These sentences will definitely improve your English speaking power. So without wasting time, let's start. এখন একথা থাক. Let's drop the matter now. Let's drop the matter now. বাঁচো এবং বাঁচতে দাও. Live and let live. Live and let live. সে দরজাটি বন্ধ করুক. Let him shut the door. Let him shut the door. সমীরকে বলতে দাও. Let Samir speak. Let Samir speak. চলো আগাছাগুলো তুলে ফেলি. Let's pull out the weeds. Let's pull out the weeds. তাকে লিখতে দাও. Let him write. Let him write. তারা কিছুক্ষণের জন্য বিশ্রাম করুক. Let them rest for a while. Let them rest for a while. আমাদের ভেতরে যেতে দাও. Let us go in. Let us go in. সে কাজটি নিজে করুক. Let him do the work on his own. Let him do the work on his own. আমি বাজার থেকে কিছু সবজি নিয়ে আসি. Let me bring some vegetable from the market. Let me bring some vegetable from the market. এই যেন বলা না হয় যে আমি মিথ্যা বলেছিলাম. Let it not be said that I told a lie. Let it not be said that I told a lie. আমাকে সব কিছু বলতে দাও. Let me speak everything. Let me speak everything. Thanks a lot for watching the entire video. Please subscribe to our channel and press all notification button of the bell icon for more useful videos. If you like this video, please hit the like button, share this video with your friends and feel free to ask any question on the comment box. See you on the next video. Till then, bye.